Adeze. Adeze, wait. Adeze, wait. What is it?
Mother, I really cannot believe that you and Daddy are doing this to me.
What is there not to believe? Huh? You have to marry Onowo's son.
For one reason, Mother, I do not know him. And for the reasonable reasons of them all, I am not going to marry someone I barely know.
Adeze, when I married your father, I do not even know what he looked like. Love grew over time.
Mother, well, I am not you. I have my own mind. I have my own feelings. And I will not marry a man that I do not have feelings for simply because you and Daddy say so.
And who told you you have a choice? Huh? Adeze, listen, let me tell you. You must marry Onowo's son. And that's on period.
I will not, Mother.
You're walking out?
You need help?
You sound like the one who needs help. Crying alone in the bush can attract unwanted creatures.
Wait. Who are you?
I am Obi-Wan.
Lolo, Ono tells me the son John is back to Nigeria. As we speak, he's in Umeze.
Wow, that's the good news. That means we should be expecting him anytime in the palace.
Absolutely. He's coming to see me this evening. By Sunday, we'll meet and start discussing the marriage rights.
Marriage, yeah, very important.
So, you make sure the preparations are well done. Take care of it, huh?
I will, Your Majesty.
Good. Good.
Are you fine, Adele?
Who are you and what do you want here? I know that smell. Ah, you're the crying lady.
I'm not crying today. My name is Adaise. I'm the princess of Umueze Kingdom.
I see. How did you find me?
It wasn't difficult at all.
And why did you find me?
Can you please play the flute?
Do you like it?
Yes, I do.
Okay, I will. But right after you tell me the reason for your tears.
You won't understand.
All right, come sit.
Thank you.
I can feel your gaze on me.
Oh, um, I'm sorry, my bad.
Sorry for what exactly?
Nothing. I'm angry.
Anger is an easy answer. Who are you angry at and why?
My parents. They're forcing me to do what I do not want to do.
You know, sometimes the worst decisions are made with the best intentions.
That's why I said you will not understand.
But if you want me to understand, you would explain everything to me. But no matter what, you need to figure this out. Hmm?
Do you know why I came here to see you?
No, but I have a feeling you want to tell me something.
You're funny. Yeah.
That's new. Most people find me terrifying.
Really?
Yes.
I'm not scared of you. I mean, if anything at all. Talking to you. Listening to you play the flute. It's soothing.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I know that smell. Ah, you're the crying lady.
I'm not crying today.
He's coming to see me this evening. By Sunday, we'll meet and start discussing the marriage right.
Lola, call your daughter to order. I don't want to be a laughing stock in this community.
Your Majesty, I am so sorry. I spoke with her last night. And she's aware her in-laws are coming to pay her bride price today.
So where is she? She's nowhere to be found.
Your Highness.
Yes?
Your Majesty. Princess Adeze is not within the walls of this palace. I and the boys have searched every corner. She left the palace this morning, very early with Tudok and Iberi.
So what do we tell our in-laws when they come? What? Huh? What?
Your Majesty, please, I'm so sorry. Just calm down. You want to give yourself high BP.
But your daughter has already given me her BP. She has already given it to me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Your Majesty, please.
All of you get out! Get out!
Who are you?
Speak! I said, who are you? Listen, I may be blind, but I'm not afraid of anyone. Who are you?
Princess.
Yes. I brought you food.
You didn't have to do that.
Says who? Come, let me help you sit. open my mouth. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You know, I can't but wonder what is wrong with you.
How do you mean?
My princess, I may be blind and unable to read your eyes, but I can feel the sadness in your voice today.
Sometimes I wonder how you have come to know me so well in such a little time. Well, you're not wrong at all. I've been feeling down of late, and that's why I came here. To hear your voice and hear you play the flute.
My princess, you don't want to tell me what exactly it is. You should learn to share your problems. You know, a problem shared is half solved.
Not this one. Okay? You cannot solve this one. But you can ease it. Yes, you can. By playing the flute. Yeah.
Okay.
Where are you coming from at this?
Mother, I stepped out to have some fresh air.
Oh, you stepped out to have some fresh air
Yes, Mother.
on the day the son of Ono is coming to do your wine carrying? Adesi,
I have told you and my father that I do not want to marry John. I don't like anything about him.
and who told you that you have the right to decide who to marry or who not to marry? Your marriage to Ono's son is for the betterment of this kingdom.
This kingdom? Did you say this kingdom? What about me? My happiness? Nobody's saying anything about
Will
it.
you shut up? Shut your trap. If not for the fact that your father is the king of this kingdom, do you know who would have been humiliated today? Your actions suggest that we do not have power or control over you. Listen, for your own good, rush now to your father's chambers. Go there and apologize to him and make yourself available, because we are going to fix another date for a wedding between you and Ono's son.
What? Mother,
Your Majesty.
Ew. How did we go wrong in raising this child? How?
Your Majesty, honestly, I don't know. But she's back.
Okay. Tell her to come and see me. Send for her.
Your Majesty, I will send for her, but I think we are going about this whole thing the wrong way. Your Majesty.
How do you mean?
I suggest we talk to Ono and see if we can postpone this whole marriage arrangements and allow our daughter and John to get to know themselves better. Give them some time to know each other than forcing this whole marriage arrangement on them. I think it will go a long way to help. Your Majesty, just a suggestion.
I cannot marry him, okay? How can I even marry somebody I do not even like?
My princess, please calm down.
Did you just say calm down? How do you expect me to calm down?
My princess, may I speak?
Yes, what is it?
My princess, I heard John is back from China and he has business there. My brother also told me he has shops in Aba where he sells goods and he has got people working for him.
And so?
My princess, may I speak freely?
Ebere, say what you have to say, please.
My princess, I don't think marrying John is a bad idea.
Get out! Get out!
My princess, please calm down, please.
Udoka, please leave.
My princess.
Leave, please!
Sorry.
Sorry for yourself.
They are bringing in something for them. So when they bring them, just arrange them. Okay?
Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Dad.
Greetings, Your Royal Majesty.
Adeze, where are you going to?
I'm going to see the kingdom to have some fresh air.
So the fresh air you had yesterday at the detriment of my honor is not enough.
Well, I'm sorry, Dad. But in my defense, I clearly stated that I wasn't interested in yesterday's event. So I didn't see the need to stay back. I didn't have to attend.
Adeze, why are you talking to your father like that? Huh?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I'm sorry if my response offends you, but don't you think it's unfair that I'm being forced to marry someone I barely know?
What do you want to know? The only thing you need to know about a man, his name, family, what he does. What else do you need to know about a man? What else?
Your Highness, please calm down. Adeze, I know you're angry, but just relax. We have decided to postpone the whole marriage arrangements so that you will have time to have conversation with John, especially around the palace. Huh? All these things we are doing is for your own good. So just relax.
Okay, Mother. Can I please go now?
Adeze, please calm down. It is for your own interest.
I hear you, Mother. Can I? Without asking for my permission or even my opinion, they just want me to go ahead and marry him.
Calm down, will you? Listen, I feel like your parents want only what's best for you. Yes.
But I don't think so. I mean, if they cared so much about me, they should let me be. They wouldn't force me into marriage.
What's wrong with you? How can Princess Adeze
be so close to him like this? Can't you smell the stench coming from him? Watch it, Iberi. Watch your mouth.
Have you tried talking to the supposed groom?
No, I haven't. Why?
You know, I feel like you should talk to him. Yeah, have a proper conversation with him. Who knows if both of you agree to be easier to refuse the marriage. What do you think?
You're so smart. How come I never thought about it? Huh? I think that's the right thing to do. Thank you.
It's not that you're welcome.
Oh,
How are Your
wow.
Majesty?
John, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You're what?
Thank you.
Please, my regards to your parents.
I will, Your Majesty.
Girls, please allow them some privacy, please. Just feel free, feel at home.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you.
My princess, thank you for agreeing to meet with me.
I am not interested in this marriage arrangement, okay?
Perhaps, okay, I need to fully introduce myself.
I already know all I need to know about you, so there's no need for that. What I don't actually understand is why you agreed to this marriage. You went to school, didn't you? I mean, you are educated. You spent years abroad. Why are you letting people decide who you spend the rest of your life with?
My princess, you see, I'm allowing you because I want to marry you.
I do not want to marry you.
I love you very much.
I do not even like you. You're not listening. Listen, please. Okay? I actually allowed all of this meeting to go on because I was thinking that you would understand me, but clearly you do not. Listen, I am not going to marry somebody I have no feelings whatsoever for.
My princess, listen, you will learn to love me.
Ha! There you go again. Really?
Yes, you will.
In your dreams.
My princess.
He's the craziest person I've ever met. I took your advice. I tried talking sense into him, but he wouldn't listen. That guy is just so delusional. I would never marry him. You always know how to calm my spirit.
My princess, complaining will only give you headaches. And while you're having these headaches, everyone else is fine. So please just calm down, okay? Just take it easy.
I'm calm. You're strange. And I just realized I don't know much about you.
Um, there is. I don't remember anything about me.
And your family? You haven't said anything about them.
I don't remember that. All I know is I come from a village far from here.
What? Do you mean you're not from Obibi?
Yes, I'm not.
So where are you from?
My princess, can we just talk about something else? Please, I mean, how come you visit me here almost every day? Don't you get tired?
I actually have one of the guards drive me down to this place and stop by the Afo Obibi market. Then we walk down to this place. Besides, coming to this place is therapeutic, and after all the palace, yada yada, I just want to come here. I like it here.
So, what is it about here that is so therapeutic for you?
I don't know. Maybe your presence, the music. I don't know.
My princess. You know, I don't need my side to tell me that you must be a very beautiful woman. Yes. Your scent is like strawberry. Your face, to your nose, to your chin, to your eyes. I could tell you must be a very beautiful woman. And me, I can't remember much about myself. All I know is I wake up every day with nightmares that haunts me. So how can that be therapeutic for you?
Yet you have a soothing voice. And you are fearless. You're so smart with wisdom.
My princess, don't flatter me.
I'm not flattering you. I'm being honest. You can say thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Ades, you left John in the middle of your conversation with him and jumped out of the palace?
Because there was nothing left to talk about, Mother. I told him I am not interested in marrying him. Just when I thought he was going to feel the same way or probably understand me, but no! He kept going on and on how he wants to marry me and still wants to marry me. I mean, what is wrong with everybody? Mother, look at me. I am grown and old enough to know exactly what I want. But my heart belongs elsewhere.
Eh? Elsewhere? Ades.
Mother, I best take my leave.
leave, never come back.
My princess?
Yes, it's me. How did you know? You got me.
Please come in.
Udoka, how's the milk coming along? Okay, hurry up, okay? Ebere, please hurry up, okay? Tidy everywhere. I want you to tidy that place, this corner and the extreme.
The food is lovely.
Udoka is a wonderful cook.
My princess, it's almost 4 p.m. We need to go.
Ebere, please go back to your seat. I'll let you know when I'm ready to leave.
Yes, my princess.
Why?
Why what?
Why are you doing all this for me?
Because you deserve it.
Why do I deserve all this?
Because I like you. A lot.
My princess, you can't like me. I'm a beast.
No. Shh, don't say that. Don't say that about yourself. You're not a beast.
I can't have anything to do with you, my princess. I mean, you are a princess. And I am a blind man who doesn't know his last name or his family.
Then let me be your eyes. Let me take your first name and be your family.
You're just saying this. You don't mean it.
I mean it, Obinwa. I mean everything I say. Obinwa, I love you.
My princess, am I qualified to love you? Am I qualified to have you in my life?
Yes. Yes, you are. You're qualified to have me. Look, I think about you all the time. I can't stop thinking about you. How I wish you could see. Then you would see in my eyes how much I truly love you.
What's the color of your eyes?
Brown.
Beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you. Let me get your water.
Thank you.
can have my plantain.
No, it's fine.
No, don't worry. Yeah.
Lolo, the Council of Elders are not happy. And Onochie,
Excuse you? Who are you talking to? Why do you refer to him like that? Please attach his title to his name.
all right, Eze Onochie.
Good.
Lolo, this is the 4th meeting we are holding without the king attending. The Council of Elders are growing impatient. He goes about town in his expensive cars instead of attending to the needs of his subjects.
You make it sound as if he vehemently refused to come for the meetings. No, that is not the issue. It's just that currently Ezonoche is on a trip.
Trip? Our people are dying. Our people are suffering. Hunger has engulfed the land of Uruala. And the only thing the king can think of is to embark on trips. Lolo, no, man.
Oh no, just calm down, please. I understand your frustration. I do. And believe me, I am speaking to him. Very soon, very, very soon, he will come back and he will address the people.
Lolo, I cannot continue to cover for him. The elder's patience is wearing thin, so is mine. He should come and address his subjects now.
can sit.
Oh, thank you. How are you?
Fine, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I brought you fruits.
Oh,
Yeah. I have bananas,
okay.
pawpaw, watermelon, and apples. Which would you like to begin with?
Let's do the banana.
Bananas. I already know. Okay, let's do this. I'll help you peel it up.
Thank you.
Okay. There you go. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead.
Go on that
Okay. You like? You do?
one. Have some.
Stop. Okay. Just a bit there. You're taking all of it. Oh! Open it. Open it. Okay. Try. I love you.
I love you too, my princess.
Play on.
Where are you coming from without your medicine? Shut that in your mouth and answer me. Where are you coming from?
I went to see a friend and I needed privacy.
You went to see a friend in this woman's kingdom, and we don't know about whoever. Who is this friend you went to see?
You don't know him, Your Majesty.
I don't know him. He's even a man. Adeze. So you're beginning to see a man? Huh? Is that why you don't have interest in John?
I have said this before. John and I are not compatible.
Shut up! Shut your trap. You don't have the right to decide who is compatible with you or not. The kingdom has the right to decide for you. And John is compatible with you.
I am not going to marry your mother.
Because you're already seeing someone else. And your mind is somewhere, right?
Yes, mother. If you will let me, please.
Really? Why is your face like this? What's the matter?
Your Majesty,
Yes.
your daughter admits seeing another person other than John.
Go and call her, please.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Who is the young man my daughter is frolicking with? You should know, after all, you're always with her.
Your Highness, we have no...
Keep them out of this, father. They don't follow me everywhere. I actually forced them to stop at the roadside while I carry on without them.
Oh, really? You admit you're seeing another man, older than John you're engaged to.
Against my wishes, father.
Okay, princess. From now onwards, you shall cut ties with that young man. Otherwise, I will bring him into this palace for punishment.
Father! Go on.
Who is that? It is I, Ichiobiunwa of Uruala.
Hello? Someone please help me open the door. Hello? Udok!
What is wrong with you? Eh? Why are you disturbing the peace of the palace? Your father the king is trying to rest.
Good morning, Mother. I'm so sorry. Well, thank you for opening the door because I don't know what happened to the door. It just jammed and I was trying to call anybody to come and help me open it.
Okay, I'm sorry to disappoint you, Adeze. You are under house arrest.
What?
You are under house arrest. Since you have decided to disobey the king, your father, and my son, your mother, you will be confined to this room until you have a rethink about everything.
Sorry, Mother.
Shh! Go and sit down.
Mom!
And there's a Beatrice Eze Okafor. I said, go and sit down!
Mom! Mother! Mother! What's going on? Mother, please open the door!
You've got the wrong man.
You may have grown beard, but I'll recognize you from anywhere. Prince Obiunwa Ezedike of Uruala.
Get out.
I will leave. Uruala is not in good hands, Your Highness.
Leave this place and never return. I have told you, you've got the wrong man. Now leave.
I will leave, but I will not leave Obibi until you go back.
Oh no, we need a solution to the calamities happening in this community, but it must not involve my son, Onochi, stepping down from the throne.
What are we going to do? Because judging from these calamities, My mind tells me that it could be as a result of what we did.
Even the walls have ears, we bring down our voice.
What I'm saying is that for 5 years, Omochie has been king. And all through these 5 years, Uruala has no peace, not even for a day.
Okay, fine. Oh no, now you have said it. Has it brought a solution to the problem? No, tell me. If we stand here and talk about the existing problems, will it bring solution? All I'm saying is let us put our heads together and come up with a solution that does not involve my son, King Onochie, stepping down for a blind man to rule.
Lolo, I'm afraid though, at this point, it appears that the gods don't mind whether a blind man rules or not. Can't you see? All our crops are dying. All our livestock are dying. People are dying from unknown illness.
Then consult the Ezemo. Simple. Consult him. Ask him if there is any sacrifice we need to perform. I will give you the money. Whatever it will take. Perform the sacrifice and free the community from whatever is befalling them. But my son, Eze Onochie, will never step down from the throne.
Ibe, please. I need you to help me pass the message to Obinwa. Tell him I'm sorry I wasn't able to come today. But I promise, I will come as soon as I can. Please.
Yes, my princess.
Ebere,
My queen.
I want you to tell me the truth and nothing but the truth. Who is the man you both were talking about?
My queen. His name is Obinwa. Obinwa is a man the princess pities and often takes care of him.
A man?
Yes, my queen.
And what is the relationship with such a man?
My queen, he is blind and they are both close.
Close with a blind man? Where is he from?
My queen, he is not from Umoeze. He is from Obibi.
Obibi Kingdom?
Yes, my queen.
Do you know where he lives?
Yes, my queen.
You know where he lives?
Yes, my queen.
Rush now. Call Ifeanyi. Tell him to get the car ready.
Yes, my queen.
Who are you?
I am Obinwa. Who are you and what are you doing here?
How dare you talk to the queen of Umweze like that? Are you okay?
Queen?
Listen, What are you doing with my daughter? What is your relationship with my daughter, Adeze, for the second time?
Adeze is just my friend.
Adeze, your friend? A blind brat? A very dirty and ugly blind brat like you? He's even stinking. I would have asked you to look at yourself in the mirror. But I can see you're very blind. You don't even know what you look like. But this is the first and the last warning. I don't want to see you near my daughter again. You do not have business with my daughter, Adeze. Have I made myself clear? If I see you near my daughter again, you will not like what will befall you. Idiots.
Have you come to check on your prisoner?
You're blind brat?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You know exactly what I'm talking about. That one that stinks like a rotten tomato. That smells like a goat. Adeze, what have you done to yourself?
Mother, what have you done to Obinwa?
You are lucky. You are lucky he's not from Umreze. He is not your class! Stop saying him, else your father will have no option than to visit the king of Obibi Kingdom. Let me remind you, John will be coming tomorrow. And make sure you make him very, very comfortable. Yes!
I'm so sorry. Queen overheard our conversation and forced me to take her. Please, please. You are the least of my problem.
Do you like it?
Look, can we just go straight to the point? What I like and dislike has nothing to do with you.
Adeze, why do you hate me?
Hate? What gives you the impression that I hate you?
Look, my princess, we'll be married soon, okay? So we have to start getting to know each other better, huh? I'm sorry if I made you angry the last time I was here, okay? Assam, see, you're the only thing I think about. Okay. Think about this. So I would like us to have 4 children. Yeah? Maybe 2 boys and 2 girls. What do you think?
Wait, can you just stop it, okay? Stop! Look, I have someone I'm seeing and I like him. Therefore, I'm not going to have anything to do with you. Just stop it. Besides, it won't be fair to you.
You're seeing someone else, Adeze.
Of course, I am.
Adeze, you're seeing someone else. You hear from me.
Please, take this thing.
John and his father, they know over here and to pay your bride price.
What?
Oh yes. We allowed you to get together with John, understand yourselves, and what you did with yourselves was your business. Now, Adeze, from now till coming Friday, you must never leave the grounds of this palace.
So I'm not a prisoner?
Yes, Adeze. That's what you get when you decide to disobey your parents.
Very well then. Let me... I'd like to go back to my cell.
Oh, stop being dramatic, Adeze. Stop being dramatic.
Dramatic?
Yes.
I am being forced to marry a man I do not love. And here you are saying I'm being dramatic?
Adeze, John is the most eligible bachelor in Umweze. He's the son of Onowu. What else would you ask for? Adeze, everything we're doing is for your own good because we care.
No, Your Majesty. I don't see you caring about me. If you so much cared for me, if you had my best interest at heart, you would let me marry the man that I love, the man I have chosen, and not the one that fits your plan.
Let you marry a blind beast? Is that what you want? Is that what you have reduced yourself to? No, Adeze, no. Adeze, no.
Are you seeing what you're doing to your father?
Hey!
See how you're frustrating your father because of a blind rat? There's all this wrong with you. What?
Oh.
You love a blind man. A blind man, Adeze.
Oh.
Can I sit with you? Adeze, my beautiful daughter. What is it? Eh? Listen, let me tell you. You know you are my only child. Without an heir, the crown will be taken away from us. And you need to marry now that your father is still alive. Huh?
But my father is healthy.
Your father is healthy, but you're not saying it.
Why are you rushing me into doing something I don't want to do?
It's because you're still a baby. You're not seeing that your father is still, his health is deteriorating. He's aging by the day. Your father is no longer strong. Listen, John Onowu's son, he's a very good man. He is wealthy. He can take very good care of you, Adeze.
Yet my heart belongs to someone else.
Your heart belongs to someone else. Who? Eh? That's blind brat?
Mother, please. He has a name, okay? His name is Obinwa. Mother, my heart is not yours to control, okay? I love him. And I've chosen him. It's him or no one else.
My princess.
Just pretend like you do not see me, okay? I need to go out and I'll be back shortly. Please.
It's unsafe for you to leave at this hour, my princess. And the Igwe has given orders not to let you leave the palace.
You do not understand. Bring down your voice, okay? If I don't go out, everything will spoil. Fine, this is very, very important.
My princess, your safety is my duty. Please. I can't go against the Igwe's command. I will escort you back to your chambers, please.
Back shortly. I will make it snappy.
I'm sorry, my princess. Let me escort you back to your chambers, please. Please. Please.
Oh my God. Then let me be your eyes. Let me take your first name and be your family.
A blind brat? A very dirty and ugly blind brat like you? He's even stinking. I would have asked you to look at yourself in the mirror. But I can see you're very blind. You don't even know what you look like. But this is the first and the last warning. I don't want to see you near my daughter again. You do not have business with my daughter Adesi.
Princess, you sent for me. Udoka, it's been 1 week. 1 week and I haven't seen Obinwa. Please, I beg you. I need you to go to Obibi and find a way to get to him and call me. I need to speak to him, please.
I'm sorry, my princess. But we've all been forbidden to leave the palace until your marriage to Mr. John. Ebere and I, we cannot help you.
Udoka, I do not care about the rules. I don't. Honestly, I do not. Listen, go to Obibi tomorrow and find a way to call me when you get there. I need to talk to him. Don't you get it?
Your Highness, we cannot disobey the Igwe and the Lolo. We've all been ordered not to leave the palace walls until after your marriage. We don't have any choice.
Did you just say you do not have a choice? You and every other servant in this palace are useless. You're stupid. Get out! Just leave! Get out!
Who are you? Speak.
Blindness has not diminished your presence. You are still as fierce as your late father, Ezedike.
Didn't I tell you you have the wrong person? Now leave this place.
Yes, your highness.
Wait. Are you familiar with Umeze Kingdom? Do you know how I can get there?
Yes, your highness. I know the way.
Then lead me there.
As you wish, your highness.
can leave now.
Will you be fine on your own?
Yes.
As you wish, Your Highness.
Your Highness, a blind young man is at the gate to see the princess.
What?
A blind young man is at the gate to see the princess.
Princess?
At the gate.
This
My princess. My princess. Udoka, what is the matter? Princess. Speak! Obiwa. Yes, what about him? He's in the palace, my princess. You mean now? Yes. Here? Yes, my princess. As we speak? Right now, my princess.
Greetings, Igwe Azubike of Umeze. I have come to seek an audience with your daughter.
And who are you?
I am Obinwa, Your Highness, and I humbly seek an audience with the princess.
Guards!
No, please,
Lock
please,
him.
nobody touches him, please. Father, please, have mercy on him, pardon him, please.
Guards!
Father, please. Father,
Take him.
please help him.
Take him to the boat! Take him!
Excuse us. What is it?
It has visited my household. My son is down with the illness.
Ezonochie is in a critical situation. My son, the king, is equally down with the illness.
What?
Yes, and he is fading fast.
Let us invite Ezemo and confess that which we did. Perhaps the gods might have mercy on us.
Oh no, we will do no such thing. My son is the king, and king he will remain.
Lolo, what is the use of the crown without the head that will wear it? I will not wait for my son to die before I do the right thing.
God, whip him! Again, whip him! What did you want with that Daisy? Why was she defending you, eh? Why was she defending you? Oh, you don't want to speak, eh? Whip him! Whip him! What is your relationship with my woman? Speak now!
You must be John. I can see what you are. You are a pathetic man, forcing a woman to marry you.
Listen, I'm engaged to her, and you're nothing compared to me. Nothing!
And yet, she loves him.
Oh, give me that, give me that, give me that. You must be insane. You must be insane.
Father, please, I beg you, please. Let him go, please. He's not even from here and he doesn't understand our ways. I'll speak to him and he will leave immediately, please.
And he had the guts, he had the temerity to demand to see you at my gate. Huh? The blind bat!
Please, just this once, I promise. I promise I will talk to him and I will leave immediately. Please, mother.
Look at her crying over a blind bat. Look at her.
I wonder. Have you been bewitched?
No, mother.
So what is wrong with you?
No one has bewitched me. Can't you see? I love him. I'm in love with him, Father. Please, mother, please help me talk to him.
Your Highness.
Over my dead body. Will I allow my only child bring disgrace to this kingdom? Never.
Please. Adese. Look at what you're doing to your daughter.
Get out! Get out!
Please, Father, please. Please, Father, please help me beg him. Please don't.
Get!
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, my friend. Please, calm down. My friend, please. Your Majesty, take it easy. Calm down.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! What is wrong with you? Who gave you the audacity to hit him?
Princess, I am your future husband, okay? And I have every right to deal with this man however I see fit, okay?
Future husband? Over my dead body? You will never marry me. I will never be your wife, so stop it! Release him!
On what authority? Why must they release him? He's fine! Take this girl inside and lock her up!
Leave her alone,
Shut up!
Please! Father, please, leave me alone!
Is it more? Tell me, how is my son?
Onochie is suffering the wrath of the gods, like others. The gods are not pleased. What did you do?
Nothing. I did not do anything. Please, Ezemo, just help me save my son. Even if it requires sacrifice, I am willing to offer any sacrifice to appease the gods.
A sacrifice. We anger them the more. The gods cannot be bribed. Yes, undo what you did. Or Onochie will not live to see another day.
Please, I beg you, Ezemo. I will confess. I will tell you everything.
Go ahead.
After the death of my husband, Ezedike, I, with the help of Unowu and Agbara Wine, we made Obinwa blind. Yes, we made the true heir of Uruala to go blind.
Abomination! Out.
I personally fought against him being made the king. But Uruala people yearned for him. They asked and clamored that he be made their king, despite the fact that he was blind. They claimed that his intelligence was enough for him to rule. I couldn't just sit back and watch the throne and the crown slip off my hands. I planned for it to become my son's. And for that reason, I went back to Abarawai and we placed a charm on him, forcing him to leave Uruala and forget where he came from.
Hey! Okirikiri kana buko sada eri eri. Ngirikiri kana ekiri dere dere abaga no. Hey! Onye si ko bra ya bri oga emeke. The gods are wise. They have already sent a messenger to Obibi. Where Obinwa is. Yes. Until he sets feet in this palace, and the crown rests on his head, Onochie will still remain in this state. Your only hope is Obioma returns in time. Oh, that girl ain't crazy. I see that. Don't worry. I'm walking a few people. Hey!
What have I done to myself?
Who are you, young man? Your Highness, I am Obi-Wan, and I am in love with the princess.
Lola, my son is dying.
I am currently on my way to see Agbarawine. We have to reverse everything we did. That is the only way to save them. Ezemo said the faster Obinwa returns, the better my son's chances of survival. And currently Obinwa is at OPP. Yes.
Then I must go to him.
Go, while I go do what I need to do.
You still have the audacity to talk about love in my presence? Okay, I will overlook your foolishness, man. If you will leave Umeze right now.
I'm sorry, Your Highness, but I can't live without the princess.
What can a blind man possibly offer the princess, huh? Your Highness, please give me the permission to deal with this man myself.
Fine. Lock him up. Right. Yes. The princess must never leave her room from her hands.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Somebody open the door, please! Ebere! Udoka, please! Somebody, anybody, please open this door, please! Udoka! Udoka, is that you? Udoka, please open this door. I need to see Obi-Wan. I need to know if he's alright. Please, I beg you, please. Is he alright? Udoka, please. Can you take food to him, please? Water, anything, just feed him, please. I don't want him to starve, please. I beg you, please. Please. Somebody, please save me. Save him, please! Open this door! Open this door! Open the door! Save him!
What are you doing? Okay, Obi-Wan, the true heir to the throne of Urua.
No, that's why I'm here. I came to check if it's bad for you. It's not bad.
I have been searching, looking out for him, asking everybody about him. Each time I mention Obi-Wan, what I hear is not encouraging. But why are they calling him the beast?
We'll soon find out. I'm walking down to maybe we'll go together.
Just like that.
What can we do? Let's walk together.
Open
Adesi? Eh? What is wrong with you? Why are you disturbing everybody? Eh? Your father, the Igwe, is having a meeting with his council members, and you're here shouting on top of your voice. What is wrong?
Mother, I can't live without Obi-Wan. Please. Please, I beg you. Please, Mother, please. Take me to see him. Just once. I promise I just want to see him, Mother. Please, I beg you. Please, Mother, please.
Adesi, listen, let me tell you. The earlier you forget that idiot, the better for you. Onowo's son is the one that is good for you. Make up your mind to marry Onowo's son. Forget about whoever you're mentioning his name. That mad boy that is very abnormal. He is not good. Can't you see that he's even mad?
I love him. I love him so much, Mother. Please. Just let me see him once, please, Mother, and I promise I'll be calm. Please. Please, Mother, I love him. Please. Please, Mother.
Listen. There's nothing anybody can do about it. Forget about him.
Mother, please. Please. Please let me see Obi-Wan, please. I want to see him. I can't live without him, please.
Hey!
Your Majesty,
Really?
how did the meeting go?
It went well, except for the commotion caused by Adesi. It had better be something important, yes. Come, it had better be important, come.
Ah, yes. Two men from Urala here. They seek an audience with you.
What do they want?
They say it's urgent and demand your attention.
Okay. Let them sit down. I'll see them shortly.
Your Majesty, Run. Is that not Ezekiyah's kingdom? What do they want?
I don't know, I'll find out. Hey.
Greetings, Your Highness. Greetings.
So who are you?
I am Onowu of Urala Kingdom.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir. Your Highness, I am Ichie Tobenna from Urala Kingdom.
Sit down, Chief. Why are you in my palace?
Your Highness, I escorted the Crown Prince of Urala to this palace. That he never returned.
Chief, you must be mistaken because there is no prince of Iguala in this palace.
He is blind with Kufra, grown dead, and has a dead.
What is his name?
Obi-Wan, Your Highness.
Obi-Wan is a prince?
Yes, he is a prince, and we must return with him to Rwanda immediately.
Who knows now? Fine.
Mother, please. Take me to see Obi-Wan, please. I want to see Obi-Wan,
She contemplates me. Good. Very good. I don't know where he's from. Where is he, mother?
I'm not here for jokes. Where is Obi-Wan from?
Mother, I don't know where he's from. What is it? What happened to him? Please tell me, mother, what is it?
Come with me.
That is the praise. Your Highness.
Obi-Wan.
Bibi, you say you're mistaken. This man tells me he's from Bibi. He's not your prince.
Your Highness, there's no mistake.
Cheers to me now.
Hey! I can see you. May God be praised.
You can't see him!
May God be praised.
Your Highness, everyone, please, we must return to Ruala immediately. Calamity has befallen our land because of your absence. Even your brother Onochie is dying. Please, we have to return. Your Highness, I seek your indulgence to return with me.
Okay, I know. Everyone, you're free to leave the palace. Fine. Let's go now.
Oh, Obi-Wan.
Yes, this is me.
Prince Obinna, I'm very sorry. I apologize to you for everything I made you pass through when you were in the palace. Please forgive me. I'm willing to confess everything I did. Please forgive me. You see, when your father married me into the palace and I was given the title of the Lolo, then I gave birth to Prince Onochie. But I came to notice that your father and the whole Uruala adored you. The love they gave you, even a percent of it, could not get to my son Onochie, and that made me very jealous. I wanted what you had for my son, and then I started plotting. I didn't do it alone. The owner who introduced me to Agbarawai, and that was when we made you blind.
Try! Aro. Tufiaba. Abomination.
But even at that, everybody still loved you and wanted you to be the king. So we now decided to place a charm on you. That made you forget who you were and where you were from, and we forced you out of the kingdom. I'm really very sorry. Please, forgive me. Onoche is on his deathbed. Oh, because of everything I have done. Please forgive me. I beg you. Please.
Please, Your Highness. Please forgive us. My son is equally sick, lying on the sick bed.
I hope you've all learned that nothing stays hidden under the face of the earth. For every action, there is a consequence. Now both of you get up.
Thank you.
The most important thing is I am back. And I am back to fix Uruala. And that is my priority. Now get me the royal guards. I need to clean this up.
I'll do that immediately.
Your Highness, I'll let them know you're back. Your Highness. Go on.
Excellent morning. Your Highness, Her Majesty.
I have missed you.
I'm sorry for keeping you waiting.
It's okay.
When I first met you, I never knew I would love you this much. I loved you without even seeing you. And you loved me even when I looked like a beast. You taught me the true meaning of love. And now, I have come with my people to ask for your hand in marriage.
May the gods bless your union. May you be fruitful. May you be prosperous. May your union bring a bond of unity between our kingdom and your kingdom. Together, time for baby.
You shouldn't be there in the first place. But no matter what they do, oh, and no matter what they say, yeah, they cannot take away that which belongs to you. It's your destiny. Oh, it's your destiny. It's your destiny. Oh, destiny. There is nothing that can be done about it. No matter what is done, it's your destiny. It's your destiny. It's your destiny. It's your destiny. Oh.